Welcome to the video where we show you how to use the Let's Roll Cruiser Dolly utilizing the Let's Roll Cruiser lift. Here is the Let's Roll lift, which is a 12-inch wide by 14-inch scissors lift. You start with your motorcycle sitting on the kickstand. With the motorcycle on its kickstand, slide the Let's Roll lift in from the opposite side, centered on the frame. Again, this is a one-person operation, as the bike will come right off the kickstand. We don't recommend the use of an impact wrench with the Let's Roll lift. Once we get the bike high enough, we go to the other side of the bike and roll the dolly in from the kickstand side. Roll the dolly in, making sure that there's no obstruction from the kickstand to the caster. Reverse the direction of your ratchet. Lower the lift a couple turns. And slide the jack out. Now you're free to move the bike around as you please. To take your bike off the Let's Roll Cruiser Dolly, slide the Let's Roll lift underneath your bike, crank it up a couple turns, push the dolly out, reverse your ratchet, as the bike wheels near the ground, turn your steering wheel and gently push the bike onto the kickstand. Again, this is a one-person operation.